Hello everyone. Today's video will review how to build keyword research for beginners. Keyword research is finding and researching keywords for your website or blog. It involves identifying the words and phrases people will likely search for information on your topic. Here are the steps involved in keyword research. Identify your target audience. The first step in keyword research is identifying your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your website or blog? What are they interested in? Once you know your target audience, you can identify the keywords they will likely search for. Do a Google search. Once you know your target audience, you can start doing a Google search for the keywords you think they will likely search for. This will give you an idea of how popular the keywords are and how difficult they are to rank for. Use a keyword research tool. Several keyword research tools can help you identify the keywords for your website or blog. These tools can help you find keywords that are relevant to your topic, have a high search volume, and are not too difficult to rank for. Analyze your competition. Once you have identified a list of keywords, you need to analyze your competition. What keywords are they using? How are they using them? This will give you an idea of how to use the keywords to improve your website's SEO. Choose the right keywords. Once you have analyzed your competition, you must choose your website or blog keywords. The keywords you choose should be relevant to your topic, have a high search volume, and not be too difficult to rank for. By following these steps, you can perform keyword research and identify the right keywords for your website or blog. Here are some additional tips for keyword research. Use long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are more specific and have less competition than short-tail keywords. This means that it is easier to rank for long-tail keywords. Update your keyword research regularly. The search landscape is constantly changing, so updating your keyword research periodically is essential. This will ensure that you target the right keywords and that your website ranks high in search results. Let's try building a quick keyword research together. Let's assume we will build keyword research for a blog article about content optimization. In the first step, I will open an Excel sheet and start brainstorming keywords. For example, I will use content optimization, content copywriting, content marketing, optimizing your content, how to optimize the content, SEO content, etc. Then I will open the Google Keywords Planner tool. I will choose Discover New Keywords. Then I will copy and paste the keywords I prepared in the first step. From down, I can choose the targeted language and the market. Now Google will show me the search volume for the keywords I added and more suggestions. I will review the suggestions and choose whatever is relevant to my content. Finally, I will finalize my list and decide what keywords to use to optimize my blog content. That was a quick, easy, simple way to build keyword research, and in the upcoming videos, we will go through how to use those keywords in our website content. If you want to learn more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified once we publish new videos about content optimization. I hope you like this video. See you around.